Hello guys, welcome to my video today. We're gonna playing I don't know. Yes, Frozen Dead Reels. So ano guys, first my video sa channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification. I like this. I like you, Adi. No, this girl.
No, that's baby.
Oh, it's you. Fine. Fine. Oh, it's that you. Fine. Okay. Sure. Your avatar looks cool. So I'm going to look at your armpit. I'm going to look at you. Hey, what do you look at me? You're looking at me? Okay, so let me know in comments. What is my favorite game I've ever seen in my life? So I have 20. Yes! Yes! Guys, I have $20. So I'm not gonna buy. Yes, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm not gonna waste now.
Buy coal, kuya.
Buy coal?
Yeah.
How? Can you buy it?
Come here.
Buy a coal.
Come here.
Why?
Wait, there, para there.
There? Okay.
I got coal.
You got coal?
You need to buy coal. Moi.
Nah, I just accidentally. Let me attack you. Joking. Doug.
Let's go.
I just accidentally
You
wasted
got
my
it.
money.
Did you buy bandage? Yeah.
I have $0.
I have $28. Wait, buy the gun. Come here.
I'm going to attack this.
It's 25.
Where's the
Here,
bag?
buy it.
Where's the bag?
I'll go get it.
I have that.
Wait. Oh, you. Okay, come on.
Hey,
Drive.
can you drive?
I'll put the.
Yes. I accidentally. Oh, we should just drive. I'm not gonna fall. I'm not gonna.
Jump.
I know.
Don't jump while the train is moving.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi wala.
Put another coal. Who has coal?
Okay.
Put another coal, kuya. I mean, blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
Not cool.
Let me just.
Baby, put it here.
Drive. Or you can just drive if you want. So I'm going to stand there for a while.
Okay, that's enough. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go on a trip.
Don't-
Wait.
Okay.
Don't
Hey, what
jump, guys.
I know.
1, 2, 3. We're going.
Ah, my hair.
Okay.
Let's just keep going. Don't go to the base
Yes.
anymore.
Yeah, there's
I know.
only a couch there.
What the heck? No. Bye, Adi. Wait. Bye.
Why did you jump?
I didn't even jump. I don't wanna jump.
No, Calix jump.
Yes.
Because Kuya was in the way and I
I accidentally on your way, so that's okay. Oh wait, sorry. Fine, I will. Ah! What happened? Hello! Adi! Hey! Look at me! Hello.
Kuya.
I'm going to staring at you.
Ew.
I'm just going to look at you. Yes. Ah!
Kuya,
What happened to you? Hey! Stop! Hey! Oh, stop! Help! Hey! Wait, Adi! Hey, wait!
Wait lang.
I'm going to run. Wait, I'm going to run very, very fast. Wait for me! I'm not gonna fall.
Calix, come on.
Just me and you.
Okay, don't jump, guys.
Okay.
I realized there was a lot of zombies.
Uh-oh. Okay. Bro! I don't have a sword. My God! What happened? What happened to me? Not me. Why always me? Obsessed me.
Wait lang guys,
I'm going. Not me. Not you.
Hey guys.
Just me and you, Adi. Just me and you.
Idiot.
Hey!
You're idiot.
Come on!
Bala ka dyan, baby.
No! Just me and you, Adi. Come on. Hey, just me and you. Just staring at you. Look at you. Hey! Sleep, baby, sleep, baby. Come on.
Dali.
Joking. Joking. No. And just me and you, Adi. Just me and you, cousin. Big cousin. Come on.
The couch there. Go
Come on, kiss me. I'm going to this, chat.
You are leaving me.
Okay, there's a Yeti, dude. Calix, there's a Yeti
Hi.
outside.
I just say hi.
I'm not going out.
Just look at the chat. Just look at the chat. Bruh. Oi. No. No.
There's a frostbite.
No. Oi. No. Why my mom's obsessed with me? I didn't do
There's a
anything.
frostbite
Just go
inside.
pushes
Calix.
me.
Kill the-
Bro, my mom's my mom's
There's a frostbite there.
Oh no, stop it.
Yo, there's a frostbite there.
I got 11 bullets.
Oh my god, stop pushing me.
I'm not pushing you.
Okay, promise.
Go, baby.
Bro, not even just me and you.
There.
Hey,
We're almost in our destination.
look at you.
We're almost there.
Why does
We're
your hair?
here. We're
Yes,
almost there.
yes, we're almost there. We're here. I'm going to attack you.
Finally. And go, baby. Bye-bye, guys.
Yes, finally. Yes, I have Bachelard. Oh my god, Bachelard. Okay, what's that? What's no Ruby?
How can we get money then?
Then I'm poor. How dare you? Just give me a job.
No job here.
Fine. I'm
That kills enemies.
I'm going to go to the jail.
We need $8 for
What's that?
Cell killed enemies.
They killed enemy?
No.
No, they kill enemy.
Sell the body.
We should just sell the body. Why? Where? What's that?
You got
Nothing.
it. Here.
Not me. Hey,
You told me to put it on
hey. What are you doing? Yeah.
You know what? Let's keep going. Let's go.
Okay.
for me.
I'm going to go to ID. And also,
Oh yeah, no.
okay, let me stare at her, guys. Let me stare at her.
Okay, ready
Okay.
to go?
Yes.
Yep. We need more gods
I'm going to stare at you for a second.
to sell them.
Hey, what are you doing?
Bottle
Why?
We can use them to buy things.
Guys, you want to go? You want to go?
Hey,
Okay, here's the house.
here's the house? Where?
Wait lang, guys.
Wait, house?
I have a gun. If someone comes at me, I'm going to shoot them.
Come on.
There's a chest.
I have a hammer.
Wait, let me get it.
I have a
Let me
hammer.
get it. Let me get it.
Wait, let me get it.
Baby.
Let me get this. Let me get that television. Let me get the phone of the telephone. Let me get the telephone, guys. Let me get the telephone for the for the hot campfire. What is this? Okay, drop it. Hello.
You guys in?
Wait.
Yeah.
Do not
Rotate this guy. Wait lang, guys.
rotate it.
Guys,
Hey,
There's too many.
stop pushing me. Adi, wait.
guys, you forgot about me?
Bye.
Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Naga. I'm coming.
Okay.
Hey.
Let me just put that thing.
This chest is useless.
Okay. There's me and you. There's a
I
television
wanna
there.
go.
There's me and you.
Yes.
Staring at you.
There's so many zombies.
During the...
And look.
Hey,
I don't care. I'm
come
running.
on.
Just run for. Run from me. Run from me.
I'm sorry to slap on you.
Why did you jump?
Pero, yes.
Did you unweld it?
What happened? No! Hey! No! My telephone! Fine, you know what? Oh, fine. How many minutes? Meters. Okay, we're going on a trip, guys. It's probably in the street trip or the train.
No.
I think
There's
there's
zombies.
I think there's a village there, but it kind of looks
You
like
already
trains.
see it, guys.
Yes,
It will flip off.
I can see. This mini is staring at you. Staring, I'm gonna stare at you. Just staring at me. Come on. What happened to you? What happened to him?
There's so many zombies.
Yes. My television. I'm not
We
gonna
don't have
jump.
enough fuel.
Yes, I know.
We won't be able to get there.
Okay.
No, there's a Yeti. There's two Yetis.
There's two yetis. Where?
Okay, if some... Can you run? Can you run over a zombie?
What happened to him?
But there's no
Did he
zombies
left?
here.
Or not?
Oh, this
Oh, there's a house. I can just
Wait, Calix, where are you?
smash it if I want. Say stupid zombie! Or else I'll attack you. Oh my god, this alone zombie trying to kill me and trying to eat me.
They didn't die.
Like a creepy man.
Uh-oh. We're almost here, though.
Look,
Our fuel is running out.
I'm going to...
only.
Still have enough fuel to go there.
Where? Where? Finally! 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 I have my award! I have a badge award! Yes, I have a award. Everyone!
Do you guys have...
Everyone!
No, we don't have bodies. We
No.
didn't even kill anything.
Wait, I saw a house nearby.
What's that? Can I get it?
You
Or
go
not?
there. I'm not gonna go there.
You buy monster!
Maybe there's... Oh, there's a Yeti. There's a Yeti. There's a Yeti. Oh my god.
Nothing. Hey! Oh my god!
Jump.
There was...
Wait, I should just use this.
I ain't going there.
Ah!
I'm not going there. Okay, I got a bike.
No, I died!
Adi, I got a...
I died! Help! I died, Adi.
I'm gonna die.
No, Adi.
Wait, revive Kuya first. Kuya.
Yes.
Calix.
I can't. I can't revive.
Kill him.
Hey, I can't revive.
Yes, kill the bodies.
I can't revive. Adi.
Wait, ano?
Mamatay ako.
I'm going to revive.
Mamatay ako.
Oh wait, I should just revive in a very long time. Let me revive it. Okay, let's make it revive faster. Okay. Bro, why did I just die?
Okay, I can sell bodies.
Please. Revive. Please revive me.
Yo, you guys, kuya.
Hey, how dare you? What are you doing? Wait, I survived.
That's it?
Hey, what are you doing?
You guys, kuya.
$3.
Please revive me.
Wait, I'm gonna get the...
Please revive me. Please.
We can play without mid-20.
What happened to mine?
Oof.
Hammer. My hammer. My hammer. Oh my god. Please bring it to me. I wanted to bring it to the train. Go to the... We should gonna go to the train. Go to the train there. Outside.
How do I revive kuya?
I can't.
Give it to me.
The
Med.
Yeti only gave
We
me
need med kit.
$2.
Med kit. You do have med kit. What? Oh, thank you. Oh my god. This annoying
Any
monster.
more...
Thank you. I revive.
Is there any more bodies?
Wow. I revive.
What? I
I
only have
revive now.
$4.
Okay, let's check.
Exactly. It's not even that helpful.
Do we
Revive.
have enough fuel?
No, we don't. We're out when we came
How much
here.
fuel do we have? Wait, no.
I have $12.
You can buy it.
No, we need.
Wait, I should just break the train. Only I can just rage.
Overpriced. How do we eat? We have to wait
Okay.
for the Yetis to come.
Exactly. You still have more.
I'm going to break the train.
I
Joking.
have 3 of them.
Hey. Hey. Wow, thank you.
Those, kuya, those.
Okay, fine.
The axe.
Can I borrow the... Can I have this? Oh, wait. Come on. Fine.
How do I buy more money?
Hey, baby. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing. Yes. I know.
How can I drop my item?
Ah! What happened? What happened? Adi,
How do I buy more money?
buy more money. I can't buy more money. I don't have a job, so I know where to get a job. I'm at upstairs right now. So
What if
that's
we
alright.
just steal them?
Yes. I accidentally burp at you. What's that?
The only thing that I could afford is
Okay,
bandage.
17. What's that, guys? Okay.
Bandage stuff.
I think it's this. Yes.
We have to wait for the night to come.
Yes. We need to wait for the night.
Let's roam
Mama,
around.
take that.
Let's roam around.
Oh, wait.
Maybe we could find something.
Hey, where are you? A
How
stick?
much is the bullet?
A 25, I guess.
Okay, what's that?
If you over-
What's that?
Think the Index Rails.
What's that? A brush or
Index Rails is
a...
not the overpriced.
They're just
Hey, Ari, what are you doing?
Where do I-
Ari.
There's a Yeti. I found one.
Wait, where is
Dead
it?
body.
Why?
I'll try to sell it. Wait.
Why?
If I put it.
Okay, got it.
Where? How about me?
I'll
We
sell
needed
it
that for
now.
fuel.
Also mine? Yes, I know.
Well, if I
Yes.
die and you have.
Oh.
Kinuha niyo po yung
Sorry. Sorry.
How am I supposed to buy it?
Okay.
We need
Okay. Fine.
fuel for the train.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Even drop there.
Oh my god. I think it's funny.
Where do I get
No. I don't wanna. I keep on
How much is the bonus?
I keep on stealing your money.
So it's not here.
And also, yeah. No, I don't have Robux. I don't know what is Robux are. I don't want to waste it now. So I'm going to stare at her something. Look at her. She's so good.
For a while.
I wanted to.
For a while, $30.
I was trying to kiss her, but not again. What are you doing? Are you Minecraft? Baby, why are you look like this? Are you on Minecraft? Yes. Okay. Bye, baby. Bye.
Stop calling me baby.
Okay, baby. Yes. I
I
know.
have 1 bullet left.
Baby.
Just call me baby.
Yes, only baby, okay. Baby. Mimi. Hey, where are you, Mimi? Okay. Where are you? Yes.
Are you guys? Did some Yeti spawn?
Yes. No. Okay.
Why did Kuya say yes?
No, I don't know.
Wait, let's
But
try
we'll
going
find
back
out.
there to the place.
Yes.
Oh wait, there's zombies.
I'm going to attack because they keep on attacking me.
There's zombies now, guys.
Huh? You're trying me, huh? Give me the Yeti. I'm going to get the Yeti. Let me...
Guys,
I said let me get
What?
it.
what's happening?
Why?
Why do I keep lagging? Game sucks. It makes me lag.
Dude,
Oh my god. That's me and you. Hey, wait for me. What are you doing?
And Yeti.
Ah, you. Attack the Yeti.
Yeti.
Why there's so many zombies? Oh my god. Hey,
At least in Dead Bros.
there's so many zombies in there. I'm going to keep on safe.
wait,
No.
give me the money there.
Fortnite.
I
Chip.
Wait, where the
Fortnite.
bandage at?
Oh!
You died, Dalek.
Fly me out. Oh my god. I'm scared. Oh my god, I killed a Yeti, so that's okay. I ignore for now on. What happened? I need to get... Let me revive on you.
I got them.
You don't have bandage.
I'm going to bring for you.
We need back.
I'm going to bring you in a train so that you can just safe. Drop that.
Okay, I got
You
20.
can just be safe. What happened to you?
Who got 10?
What happened to you?
Bandage.
Hey, do not leave. Ate, what happened to you?
You keep telling.
Not me! Not me! It was Yeti! Please, have
I
mercy.
dropped bandages.
You didn't.
Hey, look. Look.
Just
Calix,
work.
Calix, write this. Write the train. Can I get money, please? Please, can I get money?
This is sad. Driving.
Yes. Come on.
You didn't drop any bandages, so.
I don't have bandage because
Who got the bandages?
not me.
Probably someone got it.
I died. The game was so lagging that I. Okay, my bad. It's so hot.
Look at him. What happened to you?
How come did
What happened? Hey, I'm alone. No.
What happened to the train? What happened?
What happened?
What happened to the train?
Guys.
Can
The
I dive? What the hell?
Oh my
Hello. Oh my gosh.
It's falling down.
No.
Oh, yeah,
Yeti.
What's so loud?
Yeti. No. This train. I already fallen train, I guess.
Your particles. It's floating.
Can I die? Or not? Or not? What happened? What happened to you?
Come on, just drop them.
What happened to your body part? Please.
Uy, kuya, maahulugan
It's okay, Ari. What happened? Oh my god.
Whoa! I'm flinged.
It's okay, Ari. It's okay.
Your body came back to life, dude. It's like my
Come on.
At this point, I
No.
train's moving.
Oh. Hello. What happened to you? What happened? Oh my god, this train sucks or not? It's okay, Adi. It's okay. You can just ignore. It's okay.
You know what? Let's leave.
No, Adi, wait, no! I'm not.
Bye.
Hey. Hey. Ah. What happened?
Guys, let's eat in Jollibee. Huh? Let's eat in Jollibee.
Yeah.
I died
Let's
there.
go. We need a break. Let's eat in Jollibee.
Okay, so goodbye guys.